Yeah, good evening YouTube. This is the bottom rack out of my dishwasher, and I've got a few spots where the vinyl coating is broken down and it's starting to rust. So I cleaned this section off here, got all the loose coating off of there. I think there's a little more, yeah, there's a little bit more there. The rust is working its way under the coating there. So I just want to get off all the really loose stuff. Wire brush it a little bit. So I just want to get back to some reasonably solid stuff. Yeah, so we have this spot right here and then that spot right there. So the first thing I'm going to do with this is I've got some rust converter here. I've used this before, not this particular brand, but I've used some other rust converter and it seems to do a pretty good job. So let's see if we can get in here and brush that on. Yeah, it doesn't take a whole lot, and I might need to do a couple of coats of this stuff. Try to get it to soak in all the little nooks and crannies there. I'm not going to like strip off all the vinyl because I've got something else coming in the next couple of days, a product called ReRack, which is like a vinyl coating that's meant to go over and kind of build up the thickness. But I just wanted to get this rust converter and kind of stop the rust in the areas where it's really bad right here. And then I'll touch up all the little spots. Like I see there's a spot right there. I've got a little bubble of rust. So yeah, I think I'm just going to let that dry overnight, and then in the morning I'll take a look at it, see if I need to do another coat. So this stuff will turn black as it dries. The chemicals inside react with the rust and it forms like a really black shiny coating almost. Yeah, so I let the rust converter cure overnight, and I think it did its job, turned everything black. What I'm finding is some more of this material here is kind of loose. So I was going to try to scrape back a little more of it. I got the bottom. There we go. It's just hard to get in here with all these tines sticking up. But yeah, I want to try to clean up this section here, get that scraped down, any place that it's bubbled up, get this section here and right along here, just so I can get this joint coated pretty well. I think I've got the bottom cleared off. Let's see if we can flip that up here. Yeah, so I've got the bottom pretty well scraped off. I just need to go around and work on the sides, but you can see where I put the coating on last night. It's nice and covered. Yeah, I think I'm going to try to just scrape back all of this bubbled up area here. So a little bit farther over here and a little bit farther over there. I've got this one scraped back to solid material. I just have a little bit more up here to do, and probably go back to this joint right here and maybe get this over here. Just clean that all off. Yeah, this one here came out pretty good. I might go back a little bit farther there, scrape out some of that loose material there where it's bubbled up. I'll go ahead and get these scraped down a little more, put a second coat of rust converter on there, and then I'll bring you back and show you what it looks like.